We get so many messages from different places in our life. Just think about school, work, personal experiences, not to mention the internal dialogue that is happening upstairs. The messages we receive creates core beliefs. They also create how we dictate what we do with our life and our behavior. So if you're wondering why your life is in shambles or out of whack or not where you want to be, it's likely because you're not listening to your inner compass and you're listening to the messages and living out the life of everyone else. Life is not always cupcakes and rainbows. We have ups, we have downs, we have good, we have bad. And sometimes we have to learn to just ride the wave of what's happening in life. Our home may not be the aesthetically white, pleasing decor. I hope not if you have kids. And it may not be what you or have been taught it should be, but be proud of what you have and what you have accomplished. So I am not here to tell you how to live your life. I'm just here to help guide you to a place that you love the life that you already have. Stop trying to keep up with the Joneses because we know the Joneses are probably broke. But live each day to the fullest. Do things that bring you joy and bring you happiness, not what the messages are telling you you should be doing. I say all this today so that you can live and be unapologetically you. I hope this was helpful today. Make sure you keep following for more. You share with a friend who needs to hear it. Ta-ta for now.